time for another mystery box. The mystery box is available right now, and this is a good one if you like vinyl. This is premium permanent vinyl, glossy vinyl. I have put this on 2 wine glasses and they've been in my dishwasher for over 2 months, being washed over and over and over, and it's still there. It has not moved off my wine glasses. If you haven't tried the Cricut Premium permanent vinyl, this is the best way to try it. In this mystery box, 10 rolls of premium permanent vinyl, starting with red, this is tomato red, white, medium blue, and then you get a dark red, orange, maize yellow, parchment, otherwise another color for skin color, silver, gold, and black. That's not all. Make sure you use my code ML10. My code has changed, so it's ML10, and you can use that code for everything you buy on the Cricut website, except for anything that plugs in or digital images, but it works on the mystery box. You also get 4 rolls of transfer tape. 4 rolls. This will last you forever. I use this over and over. I don't just use it once and throw it away. I use it a few times. There's 4 feet in each of these, so you're getting 16 square feet of transfer tape. Each of these rolls have 4 feet, so you're getting 40 square feet of premium permanent vinyl. If you haven't tried their new premium permanent vinyl, you need to try it. Get the box. It's the best way to get it. You save so much money. Don't forget to use my code ML10. And if you have access, you get another 10% off. Now hurry, this is not going to last long. Once this is sold out, it's sold out. It won't be put back in stock. Make sure you go grab it. And make sure you subscribe and click the bell to be notified every time I post a video so you won't miss the next mystery box. Click the link in the description and I get a small commission. Now comment below if you grabbed this mystery box. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you, Cricut, for sending me the mystery box so I can share that with all of my subscribers. Make sure you click the link in the description and it will take you right to the mystery box. Love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.